In this video, I'll show you how to smoothly fade two images together in Photoshop. Start by adding your second image so both images are stacked on top of each other. Select the top image and click the layer mask icon. This mask is what allows you to blend the images. Press G on your keyboard to activate the gradient tool. With the mask selected, click and drag across the area where you want the fade to start. You'll see the two images blend together instantly. You can drag from the left, right, top, or bottom depending on the look you want. You can also adjust the gradient settings if you want a softer or stronger blend. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.